Hello, hackers. Welcome back. I'm just going to show you my tool that I created here that you can download. I'm just going to show you how it works. So if I go to my documents here and I'm just going to open this program. Just going to close this for a second. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to open. So this is a YouTube forensics tool. So you can select the download directory, which I'm going to select my downloads. And then I'm just going to use my own video. I can copy the URL of my video, and you can see that the selected directory has been placed into the prompt that will show the output of what we're doing. So when I click the Start Evidence Collection, it's going to go and download the video. Okay, you can see that the video has been downloaded, and it also generates the hashes, the SHA-256 hash, MD5, and the SHA-1 hash for your report. You can see here that if I go to my downloads here, you can see that I have the report here that shows the video URL. So if I click that or copy it, you can see that the video URL is the same. Okay, so you can verify where you got the video from. Okay, and you can see the various hashes there and also the video path. So of course you could change the video path to your external forensics drive, for example. Okay, so I'm going to put the tool in the video description, the GitHub link, and I've got it compiled already for Mac. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.